Hello lovelies, it's Anett here. I filmed you the making of this flower layout. The theme and the colors fit perfectly the November challenge of Pinkfresh Studio, which is all about being thankful. I scrapped a photo of my parents, the two beautiful people that raised me and care about me and my family until today. I am most thankful for their love. I use the Pinkfresh Studio Days of Splendor collection and a beautiful cut file that you can buy in the webshop. Links to the used supplies you can find under the video. I use my Ciliate Cameo for cutting not only the cut file itself, but also the pieces that fill the design. I separated the design in the Ciliate Studio program with the knife tool to cut different pieces from different pattern paper. Here you can see the finished cut file backed with different pattern paper that I chose from the 6x6 paper pads. Here I'm gonna paint a border to my layout using the lavender color. I'm testing it on a piece of scrap paper to see if the color matches the collection. I am adding water to the paint to get a really light color. Of course, splatters are a must. My paper is not a watercolor paper, and of course it warped a bit, so I took another cardstock and I adhered it to the first one, and so this way I get a really sturdy, nice base. Now I am creating a cluster around my photo, and I use the pretty flowers and leaves ephemera from the collection to embellish the vase cut file and my photo. I let you enjoy the process. I hope I inspire you to create for the November challenge a beautiful layout about being thankful. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.